Okay, Isaac. Which one says tiger? Where's tiger? Where's tiger? Right, let me see it. Thank you. Now, which one says mouth? Where's mouth? Mouth. Let me see it. Okay. Which one says keys? Can you say keys? Oh, no. Don't bend it. Don't bend it. Let me see it. Okay, which one says diaper? Where's diaper? Let me see it. Which one, Isaac? Which one says rattle? Where's rattle? Where's rattle? Hey, come on, buddy. Okay. Isaac. Where's rattle? Let Mama see this. Isaac. Where's rattle? Where does it say rattle? Let me see it, please. Rattle. Okay. Where is point? Where does it say point? Where does it say point? Where does it say point? Yeah, turn it around so I can see it. Turn it around. Yeah, point. Okay. Which one's that? What does that say? Which one? What does that say? Tongue. Okay, what does this one say right here? What is this one right here? No, let me see those. Where does it say hi? Where's hi? Where's hi? Where's hi? Where's hi? No, where does it say hi? Very good. Okay. Where does it say mouth? Where's mouth? No. Oh, that one's smiling. That one says smiling. Okay. Which one says mouth? Mouth. Very good. Yes. Which one says wave? Where's wave? Very good. Okay. Where does it say dog? Dog. There's dog. What about... Want to do your letters? Do your letters? What letter's that?
L.
L? Where's letter D? Where's D? That's B. Where's D? D. What is D for? Dada.
Dada.
Yeah. Where is T? T. Yep. Where's O? O. What about F? F. F? Where's F? Yeah. Where's F? Yep, there's S. Where's H for hat? H. Can you tell me what this one is? E, uh-huh. What is this one? See? Do you say hi to everybody? Up here, you gotta look at the camera. Look. Say hi. Oh, you want to look at this? Where's your eyes? Where's your hair? Where's your elbows? Can you show us your muscles? Yes. What about your shoulders? Where's your shoulders? Where's your shoulders? Right there. Where's your belly button? It's in there somewhere. Where's it at? Where's that belly button? Oh. Say I love you. What? You gotta be nice. Huh? It's a video. You say video? Can you say video? Video. Alright, say bye-bye.